All right, 3, 2, 1. Shot one. All right, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. I have the new darts that we were slinging in our last video. We were basically hitting bullseyes at 100 yards. So I want to push the distance out a little bit, take it out to 500 feet. So that is about 50% farther. So I guess by law of fours, I've doubled the weight to get that 50% further out there. Let's see how it acts. Going to slow-mo. Okay, that looked nice and straight. Kind of a low launch. And a little bit short. So we can add some more weight and pull the pin back some. I'll take a look at the timing in the slow-mo and see what it looks like. Alright. We are at least 450 to 450 feet maybe. The dart seems okay. That'll go back in there. Let's add a little bit of weight and pull the pin back. Okay, shot two. We were a little bit short, so I added 10 pounds and I pulled the release pin back just a few degrees, kind of like 2 or 3 degrees, just to make up for the added counterweight. We have the counterweight dropping in front of bottom dead center. The arm is stalling at 12 o'clock or a little bit in front, which is perfect. And what else? We are shooting at a sign frame at 500 feet. It's 4 feet by 8 feet. The top of the sign is about 8 feet off the ground. So if we could hit anywhere within that 8 by 8, that would be pretty awesome. Very little wind. I think we're good to go. Full speed video. Nah, let me go to slow-mo. That looked awesome. Well, it's not in the street. It's right here somewhere. That looked nice and straight. It's here somewhere. I'll find it. I think it's in the grass. It's not in the street. Man, it looked like it was coming right here. You see it? All right, I found it. Coming in hot. Let's see how online we were. Oh yeah, exactly where I thought it was. Just offline. Nice. That's 575 feet maybe. All right, that shot was beautiful. Tracked it all the way in, went just left and a little bit high. So all I did is made a sighting adjustment and pushed the pin forward a couple of degrees. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, that was awesome. Sighting adjustment was good. We still may have gone just over the top. We'll walk down there. That was beautiful.